Okay, as you can see, this is the image that I created. Now I just take my card stock, of course, and load it inside my printer. Wait for it to print. I take it out. I use one of my little thermal laminating sheets. And I struggled with this because I had the camera in one hand and I don't know what happened. But anywho, stick with me. I turn the power button on. I hit the 5, I want to say milliliters. I make this a little thicker. But anyway, you take it and put it inside the plastic sheet. Yeah, I had to go get a whole plastic sheet. But anywho, so as you can see, I put it in there. And once the machine heats up and tell me it's ready, I go ahead and slide it through. And it basically does it itself. And if you're not really feeling how it come out the first time, you can always run it around one more time. Just right, slide it on through the same way. And pretty much you can cut it out using scissors, or if you have like one of those, I guess you could say crafting tools, you can use that one to cut everything out. But anyway, this is just a visual of the video I made, and this is the part 2. Alright, guys, see you later.